GeopByte.
Welcome to GeopByte. Hi children! In the previous video, we have covered the topics what a catch and which boat gets how much. In this video, let us cover the topics some big numbers and the fish market. Now, let us get into the topic some big numbers. Children, we have an information here. Let us read it. In the class 4 Math Magic, you heard of the number lakh, which is equal to 100,000. You had read that there are about 1 lakh brick kilns in our country where bricks are made. Children, we have some questions. Let us see the first question. What other things have you heard of in lakhs? Let us see. Children, a cost of a house will be in lakhs. Let us write. What else? Hey, the cost of a car? Yes, it also will be in lakhs. And the cost of bus also will be in lakhs. What else? Hey, will the cost of truck be in lakhs? Yes, it also will be in lakhs. Children, population in a town will be also in lakhs. What else? Hey, books in Central Library? Yes, books in Central Library will also be in lakhs. We have lakhs of books in Central Library. Let us write. Now, let us see the next question. Write the number 1000. Now, write 100,000. So, how many zeros are there in the number 1 lakh? Easy, isn't it? Let us see. Children, write the number 1000. For 1000, we will have 3 zeros. Let us write. 1000 is equal to 1, 3 zeros. Now, write 100,000. Let us write. 100 1000. Children, for 1000 we have 3 zeros. Then for 100,000 we will have 5 zeros because 100,000, that is, write 1 first. 100. For 100 we will have 2 zeros and 1000. 1000 will have 3 zeros. So 100,000 is 100,000 which have 5 zeros. And so how many zeros are there in the number 1 lakh? Children, 100,000 is nothing but 1 lakh. So 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Let us write 1 lakh has 5 zeros. Easy, isn't it? Yes, it is very easy.
The next question is, there are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Half of them are without a motor. What is the number of boats with a motor? Write it.
Let us write it. First, it is given that there are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Let us write. There are about 2 lakhs boats. In our country. Half of them are without a motor. Half means we need to divide the number with 2. So, 2 lakhs means, children, for a lakh we will have 5 zeros. For 2 lakhs we will have 5 zeros only. So, 2 lakh. 2 and 5 zeros. Half means we need to divide with 2. Now, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Remaining zeros write as it is. So, we got 1 lakh. So, children, half of them are without a motor. So, 1 lakh boats are without a motor. Boats are without a motor. So, what is the number of boats with a motor? Children, total we have 2 lakh boats. In that, half means 1 lakh boats are without a motor. So, the remaining number of boats are obviously 1 lakh. So, what is the number of boats with a motor? Is there are boats with motor which are 1 lakh. Let us write 1 lakh boats are with a motor.
Children, the next question is about 1/4 of the boats with a motor are big machine boats. How many thousand machine boats are there? Come on, try to do it without writing down.
Let us do it. Children, it is given that about 1/4 of the boats with a motor are big machine boats. Let us write 1/4 of the boats with motor are big machine boats. So, how many thousand machine boats are there? Children, total number of motor boats are 1 lakh. So, we need to find how many thousand machine boats are there. It is given that 1/4 of big machine boats are there. But we will find the exact number. To find out that, we need to divide 1 lakh by 4. 1 lakh by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 2 is left. 4 fives are 20. And 3 zeros. It is 25,000. So, in the total of 1 lakh motor boats, we have 25,000 machine boats. Let us write 25,000 machine boats are there in the total number of one lakh motor boats. So children, for better understanding, we have written on the board. You can calculate directly in the mind by the condition 1/4 and the total number of motor boats are 1 lakh. Directly if you divide with the number 4, you will get the answer. Children, there is some information given. Let us read it. We might wonder about the number of people whose lives are related to fish. In all, there are about 100 lakh fish workers who catch fish, clean and sell them, make and repair nets and boats, etc. We also have a name for this big number. 100 lakh is also called a crore.
Children, we have some questions. Let us see the first question. Where have you heard of a crore? What was the number used?
Let us see. Children, it is given that where have you heard of a crore?
Hey, the population of a country will be in crores.
Yes, let us write. The population of a country will be in crores. what was the number used? Children, here it is clearly given that 100 lakh is called a crore. First, let us represent this 100 lakh. 100, that is 2 zeros, and lakh, that is 5 zeros. 100 lakh. So, total how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros are there. 100 lakh is called a crore. So, this is a crore. Children, so crore or 1 crore. The number which has 7 zeros is called 1 crore. Let us write. There are 7 zeros in 1 crore.
The next question is, try writing the number 1 crore. Don't get lost in all the zeros.
Yes, children, let us try writing the number 1 crore. Children, as you know, 100 lakh is called a crore. See children, 1, 1, 100. 100 will have 2 zeros. Let us write 2 zeros. And lakh. Lakh will have 5 zeros. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this became a crore. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, this is 1 crore. Children, we didn't get lost in writing all the zeros. We have 7 zeros. Simply remember that 100 lakh is called a crore. That is 100 lakh. If you get lost in zeros sometimes, remember 100 lakh. Immediately, you will be able to write the correct number of zeros.
Now, let us get into the topic, the fish market.
Children, we have a story here. Let us read it. Have you been to a fish market? If you have, then you might know why a very noisy place is sometimes called a fish market. This fish market is busy today. Many boats have brought a good catch. The fisherwomen are shouting out their prices to the buyers.
Minnie says, "Come here, come here. Take sardines at ₹40 a kg. Then Gracie says, "Never, so cheap. Get swordfish for ₹60 a kg.
Floramma sells prawns for ₹150 a kg. Karutamma sells squid for ₹50 a kg. Look, Fazila can hardly carry this big kingfish. She says this fish weighs 8 kg. I will sell the whole for rupees 1200. So, this is the story. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. You are welcome to contact us on Telegram to clarify your doubts regarding these topics. Check out the link in the description.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeopByte.
GeopByte.